a fireplace. Tap it. Keep up the good work. This is a tree. Tap it. Keep it up. Now listen carefully to the next instructions. First, tap the fireplace. Then, tap the tree. Good work! Let's do it backwards now. First, tap the tree. Then, tap the fireplace. That was so fun! Let's do it again! This is a ballerina. Tap her. Nice! This is a nutcracker. Tap it.
Indeed.
Awesome! Now listen carefully to the next instructions. First, tap the ballerina. Then, tap the nutcracker.
Indeed.
Super! Let's do it backwards now. First, tap the nutcracker. Then, tap the ballerina.
Indeed.
That was fun! Thanks for playing with me!